Ever felt the need to switch on night mode in the Telegram app on your Android phone? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to activate night mode on your Xiaomi phone. This will help reduce eye strain and enhance your overall Telegram experience. Let's dive in and see how it's done. Method 1. Quick settings. First, open the Telegram app. Then, tap on the hamburger icon in the top left corner. You should see a moon icon next to your profile picture. Tap on the moon icon to enable night mode. To turn it off, just tap on the sun icon. Method 2. Activate from Telegram settings menu. Start by opening the Telegram app. Next, tap the hamburger icon in the top left corner. Then, select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Chat Settings. After that, tap Switch to Night Mode to enable it. Or scroll down and find Auto Night Mode. Tap on it to automatically switch between night mode and day mode based on your device's settings. And that's it, folks! That's how you can easily turn on or off the night mode feature in your Telegram account on your Android phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button. For more tips and tricks for Android phones, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We have got plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.